Alright everyone, welcome back to the Motor Van. Today we're gonna hit up Carson Coffee. We're gonna be cruising with John and Colgate, as they call him. So we came to interview John on his EG, and then since the interview didn't take that long, usually it takes about 2 hours, we decided to go and hit up that Carson Coffee. So thank you fellas for the nice invite, and yeah, I'm always down to go drink some coffee. So we're rolling around with some loud cars, buddy club setups on both. The EG put his silencer back on. The Integra one gave away his silencer, so now he's rolling around with that one, and yeah, we can hear it. So I'm all for it. I love the loudness of cars, and yeah, hopefully we catch some cool cars at the Carson Coffee. So let's hear this Integra. I love it. A big shout out to the homies for letting me know about the coffee joint. It's pretty cool. A couple of riders pulled up when we're getting coffee. It's a beautiful car. The stance on it, it's chilling, man. So yeah, I don't know exactly the name of the meat, but yeah, John, we were like, yeah, we should go and hit it up, and you know, we have time after the interview. I was like, yeah, an interview usually takes about two hours. That's cool. I'm not sure this is Black Crown EM1. Got new wheels. And I was like, yeah, let's go hit it up. And then I wasn't planning to stopping by here. And honestly, it's a pretty cool spot. It's very quiet. A lot of clean cars, a lot of different makes and models. So I don't know exactly who quote-unquote hosts the meet, but I guess this is like the replacement to what used to be Diamond Bar's Carson Coffee, which I went to that one once, and then I don't know what happened to it. The Civic rolling by. I'm not trying to go where there's a whole bunch of people, so I'll probably go this way. And yeah, pretty cool cars though. Seems very quiet. Nice beautiful Lexus. Tesla. Love how these cars have like OEM BBKs. This looks so subtle. Making it this way for the NSX. Super clean. I need to figure out the stabilizer on this, because it'll look decent on camera, and then when I go into the footage, it's all shaky. Man, this thing is mint. Definitely like the red on it. And the wheels, everything about this car is pretty good. Very good, I should say. Man, thing slammed. Super slammed. Oh, that's what it is. It's Sunkey Blue meat. Alright guys, so it's back to the DSLR on tripod, just because I looked for the GoPro batteries and I don't have any more, which I'm glad that we got the interview done with John on his beautiful EG. As you guys will be able to see that interview in maybe about 2 weeks or so. Very nice cars. This is the first time that I've come to this meet. Won't be the last, because I think there's a lot of cool cars that are showing up. and there's a nice variety. And I'm still gonna do a little bit more of a walk around. But yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for the invite, John. And looking forward to see some of more cars that roll up, because I was able to meet Rich, like I mentioned in the last clip. I was able to meet Rich, and we're gonna be meeting up to do an interview on his 86, and then this S2000. I think the owner has a very stiff clutch on it, so definitely having to over rev a little bit. A couple nice Mazdas, always nice to see. I think more people are getting into those. Super cool. Love the yellow on that S2000. This is one of John's friends with the beautiful Del Sol. You guys know that we like the Del Sols around here. They're actually pretty spacious for how small they are. From the outside, they're very spacious. Obviously, two-seater, and definitely one of the cars that I love the way the designers engineer the car, with the ability to take out the top and still be functional. You can still get groceries and put them there, so it's pretty dope. And then Bridge, I'll get a little bit better angle from the other side, as he's rocking some of my most favorite wheels. I've thought about buying those wheels for Jackie or maybe Rosie, but they come in very distinct sizes, like size 14, size 15s, and I mean, maybe I'll rock them on Rosie, but for the vision that I have for Rosie, they wouldn't really go well. But yeah, man, this car just pops. The red, beautiful gold wheels, perfect stance. It's crazy. Love everything about that car. Yeah, big shout out to the 86 guys, man. They've been... You guys can go. Yeah? Yeah. Thank you though, appreciate it.
You're the one that has a YouTube channel, huh?
Simon, nice to meet you.
Your time, bro, because I know you're doing things, but I just wanted to say what's up.
I appreciate that, man.
I dig your channel, dude. It's pretty dope. I have something similar.
Very, very clean 240s. Showed up. Very nice. Always nice to see these cars out and about. They're so popular, but they're getting hard to find. Very cool. Super cool. I think it's Celica leaving. Supra. I always get confused between those. Very nice. Corolla. Oh, I think that was Jimmy, the gentleman I met. He's like, oh, I have a cool Supra and a Celica. He's like, I want to see them in the video. There you go. Cool. By accident, we got them. I was barely making my way over here. So here's the beast. And then they were telling me that this is like the loudest car in the whole entire lot. It's like you can hear from like 2 miles away. It definitely looks like it got something under the hood. But yeah, hopefully we're still around when he fires it up and gets going. Definitely looks loud. Nice Fiesta on the side. Sweet E46. Definitely gotta show some love to this FD. Very, very nice. Pop-out headlights. You guys know how I feel about that. I love it. Nice color scheme, white and gold. Very good. You can't go wrong with that color scheme. Just looks so nice. Very, very clean car. I do definitely think that it needs a wing, right? I don't know, maybe I'm just used to like seeing them with the wing. But wingless looks cool too. Beautiful, beautiful GT. Very nice stance. Love the color wheel combo. Little bit of upgrade on the headlights. Nice modern touch. And we walk by that Stance BMW, but it looks so nice from the front. I think Rich is leaving already. I don't know, he's moving his car. Nope, yep, maybe he's leaving already. Yeah, looking forward to meeting up with Rich once he gets his wing and side skirts he mentioned. We'll make it happen.
Luckily, yeah. Just came out of it and started walking. I'm like, oh, I've been.
NA is best.
My doctor said you should be steering the wheel.
We'll be meeting up with him. Such a clean car. Leaving. Dope to see all these different type of cars just roll up. It's always a pleasure. Hitting the switches on juice, and then the bomb has airbags.
I used to want one of those.
Very nice.
In the very beginning, when he started lighting cars, we thought that was because I lit the hood. So
Super dope to see.
but then we started seeing all these.
Third wheeling it. Sick. Man, the amount of suspension work that has to be done to that. It's dope. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys. Thank you, John, for the invite. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short footage.